What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and today we're going to be talking about Nature Queen premium herbal products. Listen, they have me out here right. For those of you who have 4C hair, okay, that you know that it takes a little more time to manage, and at times you just want to throw up your hands in the air and just say, I'm done, okay? But let me just say that this shampoo, this conditioner, this hair oil has made it easier to deal with my hair. First of all, the feeling is tingly, the products smell great, and these are premium herbal supplemental products, okay? Listen, we have avocado oil in these products, coconut oil, olive oil, just to name a few. And like I said, when you wash your hair with it, it just feels so tingly and great, like you're at a spa or salon or something like that. Really, really awesome. Now, you'll see the bottle I went in. So listen, it's a little bit messy there, but I went in. The shampoo and the conditioner, and they topped it off with this hair oil. Okay? Now, I really thank them for sending me the products. They, like I said, smell absolutely amazing. They have left my hair feeling just a little more soft and manageable. And I'm really thankful to them for sending me these products. You can definitely check them out. Their IG at Nature Queen, okay? And get these products before, I mean, it's not too late. Christmas is just around the corner, okay? But don't let Christmas pass by without getting these premium products, okay? Nature Queen premium herbal shampoo, conditioner, and hair oil. It's what you need in your life. It is what you need in your life. Okay? Nature Queen products. These are what you need in your life. And I can't stress enough just how great they smell, the products smell. With the hair oil, you can use it as a leave-in and just literally use it to moisturize your hair. You can leave it on overnight. You can use it as a pre-shampoo. Before shampooing your hair, just have the oil penetrate and moisturize your scalp and hair. Those are just some of the ways. And honestly, you will see that your hair flourishes with this, okay? So I highly recommend these products. Thanks again, Nature Queen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. And happy holidays. I will be back with much more. Holla.